Welcome to the last section in this project. So as you can see, taking you back to the architecture diagram, as you can see, we only have Amazon CloudFront left. Okay, so right now I will take you to the console and let's create our CloudFront. So I'm in the console right now and I'll just go over here to search for CloudFront. So just type it here and this is it here. I will click on it. So here we're gonna create a CloudFront distribution. I'll just click on this, okay, and I'll show you the URL we're gonna use here. So come in here, I will look for S3 service and I will click on it. Okay, so once it displays this, just go over to your bucket and open your bucket. Alright, just come over here in the property tab and click on it. Alright, so I'm gonna scroll down all the way to the last and I'll see this URL here. So all you just have to do is to copy this URL under static website hosting. Alright, I will copy it and I'll go back to CloudFront. So here I will paste this. But then I'm gonna remove this HTTP:// I will delete this. Okay, so the only thing we need here is the other part of your URL. Alright, so please take note of this and ensure you don't have extra space. We'll be leaving all this as default, so just scroll down to where you have viewer. Okay, so here I'll just click on the redirect HTTP to HTTPS. Remember what we have is HTTP, alright? So we want to redirect that to HTTPS because we now have SSL, we've gotten our certificate, so we are qualified for HTTPS. Alright, so I will scroll down to where we have alternate domain name. Okay, so this is it over here. So I'll just click on add item. So the alternate domain name I'll be using here is still the same domain name I purchased. Okay, so you can add yours here. I'll just add it. DevOps with Helen.com, and that is fine. So here, custom SSL certificate, so I'll just click here to select my certificate. So this is it over here. I'll just select it. Okay, that seems nice. In case you didn't see yours, just click here to refresh or confirm that your certificate was actually validated. Okay, so that will be all. That will be all in this place. I will just click on create distribution. So this has been created successfully. Let me close out this. Alright, so let me go back to the distribution. So all you just have to do is to wait for this. If you check here, you can see that it is still deploying. Okay, so it is still deploying and you just have to give it some time. It can take a while actually, so just have to give it some time and let's see. So I'll be pausing this video and I will come back as soon as it is deployed successfully. Alright, so it has actually deployed. As you can see, it's no longer saying deploying. So it has deployed, and so what I'll do right now is to validate this, okay, to ensure that my website can still be accessed. So I'll just click on this to get the distribution domain name over here, as you can see. So I'll just copy this. I'll head over to the browser and I'm gonna paste this. I'll press enter. Great. As you can see, what can you see here? This is a padlock here, meaning this website is now using SSL, that is HTTPS, as you can see over here. Okay? But then we are not done yet, because we are not using our custom domain name yet. So we have something else to do, and we'll call this project a day. What I have to do now is to go back to Route 53. So here I will look for Route 53 service, and this is it over here. I will just click on it. So we'll be creating a record set, another record set in Route 53. Alright, so here I will just click on the hosted zone, and I will click on our hosted zone, and here I will click on create. So take note, these are actually the records we have already. Alright, so this tool was created automatically after we created our hosted zone. Please take note of that. And this was the one we created ourselves when we created a CNAME record. So this will be the fourth one we'll be creating here. So here I just have to, so under record type, it has to be A. Please take note of it. It has to be type A. And I'm not going to type any name here. I'll leave it this way. So here you just have to toggle this. Just click on it to toggle the alias. And once you do that, you see option here, route traffic to. So we want to route our traffic to CloudFront distribution. Great. So once you select it, all you just need to do is to create record. I'll click on it. Okay, sorry, I didn't actually select my CloudFront distribution. So this is it here. So I have to select my CloudFront distribution. All right, please take note of that. I'll just click on create records. Okay, and it says that has been successfully created. I'll close this. I'll click on view status. It is pending, so let's give it a moment for it to be successful. So I'll pause this video and we'll give it a while. I'll come back soon. Okay, I only waited for 5 seconds, and you can see it is now in sync. Alright, so what is this telling us? It's telling us that we can go ahead and use our domain name. So let's validate what we've done. So right here, I will just go to the website. So let me use my domain name to try accessing this website. DevOpsRetailing.com. I will press enter. Okay, so actually this is yet to propagate, so we can give it some time and check this out again, because actually it should work. So I'll pause this video and give it a while, give it some moment to propagate. All right, and I'll be back soon. So after waiting for like over 30 minutes, I want to check again. Oh great, as you can see, our website is up and running, and if you check here, you can see the padlock. So our website can we can access our website over HTTPS. Okay, so great, it is working, and I hope that works for you. Now please note this, in case you're trying to access yours and it's taking too long. Like I said, my own took over 30 minutes. To be patient and wait for it to propagate. Alright, so before I end this video, let's quickly take a review on what we've done so far. So now we've created our static website, we've posted it in Amazon S3, and we can access our website over HTTPS. So what will happen now is that users will access the URL, which will be resolved to an endpoint from Route 53, right? So the endpoint will be redirected to Amazon CloudFront to serve our global audience, which will help to reduce latency and of course give a better user experience to our customers, assuming this is an enterprise application, right? And because we issued a certificate using ACM, we're able to use SSL and access our website over HTTPS instead of HTTP. All right. So lastly, CloudFront will reach out to Amazon S3 bucket to serve users with the content. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and before you go, kindly subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so you can stay updated whenever you upload a video. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in the next video. Bye.